Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. One thing I used to love eating before I did keto, low carb is pasta. And so mac and cheese was one of my favorite things to eat. Today, I'm gonna show you a keto-friendly, low carb version of mac and cheese. Let's get right into it. For your ingredients, you're going to need cauliflower, bacon. I've already cooked this and it's super crispy. Any kind of blended cheese. This one I'm going to be using Colby Jack cheese blend, so it's Monterey and Colby Jack. This is a seasoning and I'll include which seasoning I'm using in the description below. Sour cream and cream cheese. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to steam our cauliflower. So I've already taken my cauliflower and I've broken it up into bite-sized pieces. And I'm gonna steam this the lazy way. So you can either steam this on a stovetop. I'm gonna do it in the microwave. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cauliflower, put it in a microwave safe bowl, and I have some water here. I'm gonna pour in the water until it just covers the bottom. That's about half a cup to a cup, just depends how big your bowl is. And then we're going to take a plate, put it on top of the bowl and throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes to start. And then you're going to check with a knife to see if the cauliflower is ready for the next step. All right, I have taken the cauliflower out of the microwave. It took a total of about 16 minutes. We're gonna set this aside to let it cool down while we work on the cheese mixture. For the cheese mixture, we're basically gonna mix the remainder of our ingredients that I showed earlier. So let's take our cheese and we're gonna take the sour cream, throw it in there. And none of this needs to be melted, of course, because we're gonna put it in the oven later. Next, you're gonna take the cream cheese, and we are using 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And this is, of course, full fat cream cheese. And now we're gonna take about half the bacon that we have set over here. For my seasoning, I am using a blend of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and parsley. And so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this first into this mixture. All right, and let's mix this all up. The easiest way to do this is to let the cream cheese sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes. That just lets it soften up a bit, because if you do it straight out of the fridge, it's going to be really hard for you to mix all this together. Okay, that is mixed together pretty well. I am now gonna take the cauliflower that's been cooling down for about 5 minutes, and we are gonna put this cheese mixture in with the cauliflower and mix that all together. I forgot to mention before that before you start mixing this, you really want to drain the cauliflower in like a colander to get rid of as much water as possible. All right, now that that is mostly mixed, I'm going to take the remaining of the seasoning and mix that in. Now we're gonna take a ceramic baking dish and I am going to spray it down with some avocado oil spray. I love this one by Chosen Foods. We're just gonna spray that down. Make sure to get the sides. All right, and then let's take our mac and cheese and put it into the dish. Oh my God, it smells so good already. Super cheesy. And now let's evenly spread this out in the pan. Now that I've evenly spread it out in the pan, we're going to take the remaining bacon and sprinkle it on top. I absolutely love bacon with this dish. Of course, it is completely optional if you don't want to use it. But in my world, bacon is everything. So the more the merrier. Perfect. This looks great. So I have been preheating my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to take this dish and throw it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and I'll see you in 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up. Let's take it out of the oven. Ooh, this smells absolutely delicious. Take a look at that. Oh my God, this smells so good. I am so excited to get into it. Let me get a plate so we can serve it up. All right, guys. Let's take out a piece. Oh my God, that looks so delicious. And it smells absolutely amazing. So cheesy, and the bacon. I'm so excited to try it. Super creamy. This cheese, the Colby Jack, it's perfect for this. It's my favorite in this dish, and the bacon adds such a nice touch. This is the perfect keto, low carb alternative. No pasta, no nothing, just cauliflower, and it has such a nice texture. It's the closest you're gonna get to a mac and cheese when you're on a keto and low carb diet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.